determine if a point lies inside, outside, or on a circle. In this example, we have a circle centered at point -6, -2, and the point E, -1, 1, is on the circle. And we want to know where does point H lie. So we're going to start by plotting the center of the circle. So again, the point -6, -2. And then we're going to plot point E, okay, which lies on the circle, the point -1, 1. And we're going to connect those 2 points. Okay, so that distance is the radius. So we can draw our circle, and any point from the center of the circle to a point on the circle will be the radius. But what is the length of the radius? Well, to find the length of the radius, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, and we get r equals to the square root of 9 plus 25, which simplifies to the square root of 34, which is about 5.83. Okay, so that's our length. Let's go ahead and plot point H and connect the points again. And we can use the same method we used here to find the distance from the 2 points. So this distance. So let's go ahead and draw our right triangle. Use the Pythagorean theorem to find that distance, the distance from the center of the circle to point H. And if we use the Pythagorean theorem and do the math, we get that that distance is 7.07. As you can see here, this is a greater distance, right? The distance from the center of the circle to point H is greater than the radius, which means that the point lies outside the circle, okay? Because the radius, we know it's smaller, 5.83, okay? So point H must lie outside the circle, okay? So that's our answer. So if we do all the work and we get that the distances are equal, then we can say that the point lies on the circle. But if it's smaller, if the distance is from the center of the circle to that other point is smaller, then we know that it lies inside the circle. So that's pretty much what we do to determine if a point lies inside, outside, or on a circle.